Welcome to Beyond the Press channel.
Hello.
I'm Lauri.
That's it.
Det passar med blicken.
That's it. Me a good old rub. That's it.
Yeah, boy. Scovate.
Welcome to Beyond the Press channel.
Hello.
I need a shop press, and I was looking around for one and I found one at Super Cheap Auto for nearly $300. But then I thought that was a really odd price because beside the core of it, the hydraulic jack bottle for 1/10 of the cost. And I thought maybe I could beat the price. I mean, the rest of it's all just steel profile and maybe a little bit of spray paint on top. Plus, I actually think I can beat them. The Super Cheap Auto one was only a shop press for pressing and bearings. I think it can also turn into a multifunction tool. A press brake, a metal former, and a shop press all in one. Okay, it's done. We got a central ring to stop the piston from jacking from side to side. It's Springs because the bottle jack is only a single acting hydraulic valve, so it's got no return, so little U-loops accidentally mismatching. The spring's attached to a piece of flat bar which will later hold tools, and also is bolted directly to the bottle jack for stability. Later I might add some supports along the sides, maybe some ball bearings in them, just to keep everything straight and level and make it a little bit safer. Oh, and a nice red paint job to match the bottle jack. And with all that in mind, I still have more workspace that I can't even fit all into the shot. And I made it for about $40 less than the commercial model. And I can make my own tools for this thing and do sheet metal forming, press braking, bearing pressing. I've got some more videos coming out soon. I've got something relating to the new Fallout trailer and maybe some digs at Todd Howard. A little hint for that, I ordered a mechatronic hand. So if you can guess what I'm doing there, there's no prize. But yeah, that's it. I do promise to make more videos more regularly, and I hope you like and subscribe.